5 ways to maximize your battery use in your laptop. Today, as you can see, that I have my laptop at 74%, right? And if you can see in the screen here, I can either choose the best battery life or best performance. But in this talk, we will talk about best battery life. So I'll click and move that as simple as that, and you have a best battery life performance. The next way is to right mouse click it, power options, and basically I can create my own power plan. And the power plan can be balance, power saver, or high performance. And if you want to make sure that you save your battery if you're going out in the field, put power saver and click next. And here you can basically customize whatever you want on your battery powers, whether you want to turn off the display in 2 minutes, 1 minute, or put it on sleep in any minutes that you want, and just create. So I'm creating my own one called Custom Plan 1. You can create anything that you want in any name, right? And basically it creates this. So what happens here is that if you notice, I have a Custom Plan 1 which I can basically go anytime and do the changes of the settings in order to save my battery power. Every once in a while we like to increase the brightness, right? And because of the ambience. The best way to save your battery is to make it in the middle or as low as you can, as long as you can see the screen and view it. And this also saves your battery. It's kind of simple step, but it works. The third thing that you need to make sure is that your machine is clean at the bottom, right? Because all this clog up will increase the fan speed because it needs to cool down your CPU. So try and clean up your laptop at the bottom and on the sides, right? Here's where the output is, input and output. Make sure it's clean, and basically it's not going to drain your battery power, and it's going to give you more battery power and cool down your CPU. And of course, you know, is a logical thing, right? When it cools down your CPU, your system performs faster and quicker, and you'll be happier. So one is you see in your tray, if there's applications that are there that you need to kill it off, or you can basically go right mouse click, Task Manager, and basically kill off anything that occupies a lot of your CPU. The CPU is the one that runs the most, will kill the battery the fastest. So any programs that you see here, when you sort it like this, right? So I'm sorting it by the high ratio, and anything that you see and you don't need it, you can kill it here. That also saves your battery. Go to your Task Manager this way, Control Alternate Delete, and make sure that in your startup, these apps are not enabled, because if they are enabled in your startup, your system will start slow, it will occupy a lot of your battery usage, and it will kill your battery faster. This is a very important thing that maybe people don't talk about it, to make sure it lasts long. Typically it's 80 to 40%. So from 80 right down to 40%, when you reach 40%, charge it up. If you don't charge it up at 40% and let it go right down to 0 and charge it up, you're going to stress your battery in such a way that it's going to climb from 0 right up to 100. So it's going to really heat up, and it's really going to reduce the battery cycle on that particular battery that you're doing the charging. So please bear in mind, do it from 80 or 40, right? Anywhere in this between, just charge it up and it should be good. If you have this going in the background, right? Example, you have Wi-Fi connected, Bluetooth connected, and you have your search connected in terms of your network or mobile hotspots. You can basically disable them because they also take out a lot of your battery life. So if you can, just strip them all off. Like if I have it, you know, connected here, I can just click it off and that's it, right? Just click, unclick. All you can do is basically go click on your message, and you can basically see this full array of notifications, and the lesser you do it, the better your battery life is. So this is all for today's show, right? Stay tuned on the next episode, and hopefully if you have any comments, please post it. Anything you want me to do in the next episode, I'm free to do it as well. And see you soon. Have a good day. Bye bye.